Okay, so today we got this truck. We just replaced the starter. Well, not me, but the neighbors. It's a neighbor's truck. They just replaced the starter because went bad. It won't turn on. So when after they replace it, well, what they said, there's a noise coming out of the starter place around there. So they're thinking the starter is not the right one, or is a different one for this vehicle because it's making a loud noise. So when I try and I show you what's the noise about this truck, okay? Wait. Okay, can you hear that noise? Okay, that was something very bad. But when I touch the starter feels good. But when I touch this part right here, you know, it seems that the whole crank is right here. So I'm gonna have to take this top off to see what's the problem with this engine, okay? Or if this is a problem, because they replaced like 2-3 of these one, thinking that the Bendix or the solenoid, when they turn it on, it got to stick to the flywheel, but that's not. I don't think that's the case, because it sounds like it's this part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this part. They call it I can't remember what they call it, but I'm gonna have to remove this part and we'll see what's wrong with this flywheel, okay? Or this loud noise. Stay with me. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already take the cover off. The cover that was here, the plate, this plate right here. Okay, I took it off just to see if I'll be able to see. I had to remove the starter and put it back on, and I want to see, as you can see over there where the starter sits, what's the problem, if it's engaged the right way or what. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I got the battery unplugged. I disconnect the positive battery or negative. So I'm gonna go and put it back on, and then I'm gonna turn the engine on and see what's going on, okay? Alright, so that's supposed to be the starter Bendix, so it should be come out in a minute when I start right on the engine, okay? Thank you. Okay, now I'm gonna start the engine on. Oh, and see. Oh shoot. Esta es la lámina que topaba. Esta. So, vamos a quitarla mejor o dejarla así. Vamos a ver cómo la ponemos, ¿ok? Eso era todo. Fíjense el ruidero. Ahí está todo bien ahora. Ok. Tengan un buen día y ahora vamos a poner todo otra vez. Okay, so I found the problem. As you can see, guys, it's right here. So one of the flywheel's teeth was making that noise pretty bad, because as you can see, this is the plate behind the starter, between the starter and the flywheel transmission. So here it was the lousy noise right here. So we're, as you can see, it's gonna bend it. So they probably just get bended every time, so it's not straight. So we're gonna just try to fix it, like, you know, put it the right way, or we just gonna leave it without the blade. That way we don't have to worry about these little details. Okay, so that was a noisy, sometimes pretty easy fix. So if you have the same, running for the same problem, you might find this and you'll be able as well. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm gonna put this everything back together and I'll figure it out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Okay, so we just put it plate right here, and we just make it straight. It's not bended anymore. So we're gonna try see if it's still the noise. A ver, dale. We'll see. We're gonna start the car right now. No more noise on the starter. Alright, so that might happen to you guys, so just double make sure before you take it to the shop and pay a lot of money to fix it. Alright, thank you all, have a nice day. Ahí está.